It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS. Glimmering details, expert aerodynamics, and a richly cultivated interior set the next level of standards for luxury SUVs. It comes with all the amenities you need: twin-turbo V6 engine, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory steering wheel settings, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,